I really like this look, the patent leather look. I mean, can we take a moment and appreciate it? And I love this belt that I got from my Chanel bag. So I decided to do away with the Chanel bag. So I decided to use the chain as a belt. I love it. It's very funky. And then my thigh-high patent matching boots, which I really like. And then there's metal necklace with the handcuffs and the crystal ring and sterling silver ring. And I sort of like this crocodile hat, so I'm gonna style it with this because they look about the same color. And you all know I'm from West Africa, so we wear headpieces a lot, so everything has to have a headpiece. And so this is a brand new jacket from BG. It is marked a size large, okay? But the thing is, this is like sort of a vintage. I bought it a while ago, but I haven't worn it. So it's sort of, it is a large, but it is a small cut. So large 8, 10 can wear it all the way to small. And so I really like the look. I like the little cap puffy sleeves and the little like organza like material showing on it. I like the fact that it can be buttoned, though I'm not really sure that I wanna button it most of the time. But yeah, it does look good buttoned. I mean, it's a little bit too big, but it gives a certain je ne sais quoi, don't you think? It is so elegant and fabulous. This is the look, see the back, and this is the look of the skirt. So here you go. Let me go ahead and showcase it a little bit for you all. So music, hit it. that's it for the showcasing of this clothes. Comment down below and let me know if you like the style of this clothes. I think it's very funky. I really like it. I can see myself so totally wearing this to work or wearing it with pants. Comment below what you think of the design. It is so funky. But anyway, and if you like this video, smash the like button and share with your friends. And if you have not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe icon here or here, depending on where it may be on your screen. And please do turn on the notification such that you'll be notified when next I upload another vlog. And please do follow me on Instagram at fashionistaprofessor. At fashionista.professor, and on TikTok at Professor C. So till next time I upload another vlog, you all continue to take care, you all continue to find your happy place. And once again, thank you all for your support. Kisses from far away. Kisses from far away. Kisses from far away. Que merda.